Welcome back to Math Solver 1117, the best place to make math simple and stress-free. If you are new here, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our helpful videos. Today we are learning a very important rule in calculus, the sum and the difference rule in derivative. And trust me, by the end of this video, you will be solving this like a pro. So first of all, you have to understand what is derivative. What is derivative? So a derivative simply tells us the rate of change. The rate of change is called derivative. If you are driving a car or a truck, simply the derivative is your speed. Then after some time you will be here. Then the derivative only tells the speed. And we use the symbol for derivative is to represent a derivative we use two symbols. First one is f dash of x or d by dx into function f of x. These are the two symbols to represent the derivative. Now we will today study the sum and difference rule in derivative. So the sum and the difference rule is basically d by dx f of x plus g of x. Means two functions are added. So how we differentiate this? This will be equal to f dash of x plus g dash of x. So this is for addition. And the other rule is d by dx into f of x minus g of x. This will be equal to f dash of x minus g dash of x. It means you will differentiate the first function, then the second function. So this is the rule for subtraction or difference. Subtraction or difference. Now we will apply these rules in some examples. Now if f of x equals x cube plus 3 of x and you have to find f dash of x equals to what? So we will solve this as first of all f dash of x equals d by dx of x cube plus d by dx of 3 of x. So we will get by here we will apply the formula of this power rule. D by dx x raised to power n equals n exponent in the start and x n minus 1. 1 is subtracted from the exponent. So this is the power rule we will use in this, and complete explanation of this rule is in the previous video. You can find in the description. So we will apply this rule. Here power is x cube. So we will solve this as 3 in the start and x raised to power 3 minus 1, that is 2. So then 3 is as constant. So 3 into 1, 1 is the power of this, and x raised to power 1 minus 1, that will be 0. So only x power 0 will be equals 1. So we will get 3x square plus 3. So this will be the answer. So you can see how easily we have solved the sum question. Now we will solve another question. Now you have function 5x power 4 minus 2x. Now we will solve this as, first of all, f dash of x will be equals d by dx 5x power 4 minus d by dx 2x. So this will be equals by applying this power rule, power in the start, so 5 multiply 4 and then x raised to power 4 minus 1. Then minus 2 into 1 x raised to power 1 minus 1. So this is 20 x cube minus 2. So this will be the answer. Now I will tell you some real life examples. So some real life examples related to this are, imagine you are tracking two people walking. Let's suppose one is person A and other one is person B. So person A walks at a speed of x square, its speed increases, and the other one is person B walks at speed of 4x. Now the total speed will be, we will write total speed, that will be equals f of x square plus 4 of x. Then to find the change in this, f dash of x will be equal to, differentiate this, 2x plus 4. So this tells us how the total speed is increasing as time goes. So this tells us increase in speed. Now these are the type of real life applications all around us. Now I will tell you common mistakes that mostly students do in the sum and difference rule. So first one is, don't take the derivative of sum as a product. And the other mistake mostly students do is, don't forget the minus sign in subtraction. And third one is always simplify your answer where possible. So these are the common mistake mostly students do in these questions. Now I will assign you some practice questions and you will write the answer in the comment section. Now these are practice questions. Try to find the derivatives of these. Question number 1 is, if f of x equals x cube plus 2x square plus 4, and question number 2 is, f of x equals 6x square minus x plus 1. Try to find the derivative of both. Now, many students ask that why do we use this rule? We will use the sum and difference rule a lot in calculus and mostly in physics, to calculate motion, in economics to track cost and profit, and in engineering to measure change in system. We will use this. So now here is a quick final recap that how do we solve this is, just remember, just take the derivative of each term separately. So this is the basic rule for the sum and the difference. And add and subtract. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Math Solver 1117 and also comment below. Which topic should we do next in calculus? Thanks for watching, and remember, math is not hard, it just needs the right explanation. See you in the next one. Best of luck for your exams.